Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, Sifat in front of you with a new hard grinder coffee machine going spaces mill, medicine wheat mixer dry fruit grinder. It has a 4.7 ratings with 136 reviews and it has been sold over 600 plus. Now we'll show you the features of this product. Here, the powerful 3000 watt motor for efficient grinding equipped with a 3000 watt high performance motor plus 800 capacity for bulk processing with a generous 800 capacity. Compact design with a white finish, CE certified for safety and quality. CE certified for safety and quality, compatible with European Union and United States plug types. Designed for global use, this machine supports both European Union and United States plugs types, offering flexibility for users across different regions without needing adapters. It's very lightweight and easy to ship, weight only 5 kgs, 1 unit per pack for simple ordering, sold as a 1 piece per pack. This grinder is ideal for individual users or as a replacement. Here you can see the reviews from the customers. For the fast delivery, there are certain reviews and they have said that unique, very fast delivery. Tried it immediately. In 20 seconds, I have a wheat flour. And these have been said by the color white plug type European Union ships from Poland. So here is our main reviews that has been showed here, and I would suggest you to buy this because this is 4.7 rating and there are 136 reviews already given here. So if you want to buy this product, please click on the link below the video. Thank you for watching these videos.